This is the Iowa Weather Report for Thursday, June 6th, 2013. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have a bit of a trough moving through the upper Midwest and Great Lakes states. Some energy across the southeast. That'll be with the landfall of Tropical Storm Andrea later today into tonight. It'll be just south of Apalachicola heading towards Cedar Key. Around here, though, we'll have some early day showers, especially east of Interstate 35, with some clearing off to the west. Highs still remaining in the 60s to lower 70s. That'll be the same here on Friday. The GFS still wants to paint a few showers around. That'll likely be some low clouds or some fog early in the day, with skies becoming partly to mostly sunny with highs a couple degrees either side of 70, maybe mid-70s in the west. But the next storm system will be approaching from the west here on Saturday. Some showers and thunderstorms will be possible at least along and west of Interstate 35 during the day and throughout the state overnight, with highs in the 70s with southwesterly winds. Sunday, the low pressure center will be near about La Crosse, Wisconsin, so we could still see some showers and maybe a rumble of thunder or two, with highs still remaining quite cool for this time of the year, likely in the lower to middle 70s, maybe a few upper 60s depending on cloud cover. That system moves off into southern Canada here on Monday. Skies begin to clear once again. Temperatures do start to warm up slightly, back into at least the mid to maybe upper 70s if some sun can break out late in the day. But again, on Tuesday, here comes another system. A warm front situates itself across western Iowa, so more showers and thunderstorms will be possible. Severe weather could be possible, but we'll have to wait and see on that as we draw closer. That system moves across the state here on Wednesday with some showers, maybe a rumble of thunder or two, depending on cloud cover. We could see temperatures in the low 70s, otherwise mid to upper 70s are likely as the system moves through. A week from today, we start seeing a ridge build over the central and southern plains. We'll still be on the northern periphery of that, with a fairly quick westerly flow across the middle part of the country and a trough over the northeast, not a very big one. And this will keep systems just progressively moving across. The one system will be off in the mid-Atlantic in the Ohio River Valley. There'll be another system coming into the plain states, so we could have repeated rounds of showers and thunderstorms every maybe 2 to 3 days if this was to be right. This pattern looks to continue even into Voodoo. Here on the 17th, we have a ridge over the central and southern plains again, situated around near Wichita, Kansas. Trough over the west and a trough over eastern Canada, and that'll be progressing more systems out of the northwest, and that's going to keep our temperatures at least somewhat stable. Readings in the 70s, maybe near 80, depending on cloud cover and when the rain does fall, if this was to pan out. And at the end of the forecast on the 21st, we have a few ridges, one over the central and southern plains, surprise, and one over in the western Atlantic. The strong westerlies up into the U.S.-Canadian border region. And around here, that would mean the rain chances will dwindle down a little bit. We could see an afternoon shower or storm, but nothing from a system per se. Some rain and afternoon thunderstorms across the southeast, and that's about it. A satellite image from last evening, we had some clouds across the Ohio and Tennessee River Valley with the storm system and a cold front. We had Tropical Storm Andrea over the eastern Gulf of Mexico that'll be moving northeast across the eastern coast, and some showers and thunderstorms in Texas. The watch warning map from last evening, we had some flood issues across the Carolinas into Florida with Andrea approaching, some frost and freeze advisories across northern Maine, a severe thunderstorm watch in Texas with a few warnings, and some heat over the desert southwest. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall amounts across the state anywhere between 3/4 to maybe a little over an inch. We'll see if that pans out. It could be higher in isolated thunderstorms.